Have you ever wanted to make passive income online, but you didn't know where to start? Are you struggling to scale your KDP business and wondering why others are making thousands while your book barely sells? Do you want to quit your 9 to 5 job and earn a full-time income from self-publishing? If you've answered yes to any of these questions, you cannot afford to miss this step-by-step KDP tutorial where I'll teach you 4 things. Number 1, how to start a successful Amazon KDP business from scratch. Number 2, the exact research, publishing, and marketing strategies that have been tried and tested and used by many successful Amazon KDP publishers. Number 3, mistakes to avoid that could get your account suspended. And lastly, how to publish books without writing a single word yourself. Now, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success on Amazon KDP takes strategy, patience, and the right approach, which I'll teach you in this full tutorial. So go ahead, grab a notebook, turn off distractions, and let's dive in. Now, let's talk about step 1, which is really understanding Amazon KDP and how it works. Amazon KDP is one of the best passive income opportunities in 2025. Why? Because of its global reach, which means your book becomes available to millions of readers worldwide. Because of zero inventory cost, because Amazon handles printing, shipping, and even customer service. Because the royalties are up to 70%. Because unlike traditional publishing, you get to keep more of the profits. And lastly, it works for any niche. So you can publish low content books, high content books, workbooks, coloring books, and much more. Now let's talk about traditional publishing versus Amazon KDP. In traditional publishing, authors spend years writing a manuscript, then send it to multiple publishers, hoping for approval. If they are accepted, they only get 10 to 15% royalties per book. But with Amazon KDP, you publish in days. You keep 70% royalties, and you have full control over pricing, updates, and marketing. And this is why thousands of authors are quitting traditional publishing and switching to Amazon KDP. Now let's talk about finding profitable book ideas. So one mistake beginners make is publishing books no one wants. The number 1 rule of KDP success is you do not publish what you like. You publish what sells. And the secret is market demand research. You need to use Amazon to find untapped book niches that have high demand but low competition. So what are the best methods to find profitable book keywords? Number 1, Amazon Auto Suggest. You simply type in a keyword in the Amazon search bar and you note down highly searched phrases like how to draw for beginners, mental health journal for teens. And number 2 is Helium 10 and Publisher Rocket. Now these tools, they show you search volume, competition levels, and estimate sales for book keywords. Number 3, TikTok and Instagram trends. These are ways you could find viral books which get thousands of orders overnight. So look at what's trending. And number 4, computer analysis. You need to study best-selling books in your niche and you analyze what makes them successful. And lastly, the 4 free Chrome extensions that I personally use myself here on the channel. And if you would like to check these out, you will find a full tutorial in the video linked in the description box below. Every month, new self-publishers make their first 1,000+ in royalties by jumping on trends. The longer you wait, the harder it will be to dominate these niches. Now let's talk about creating your book. You do not need to be a professional writer or a designer to publish your book. So what are the options that you have for creating books? Number 1 is writing it yourself. So if you're passionate about a topic, you can go ahead and write it yourself. If you don't want to, you can hire a ghostwriter. You can find talented writers on Upwork, for example, or Fiverr. Another thing is using AI writing tools like Jasper, ChatGPT. There are so many writing AI tools, but you need to be able to fact check and you need to be able to rewrite it as well. You can't just simply copy and paste it that way. Another way is using Canva formatting, and this is perfect for low content books like planners, logbooks, journals, activity books, for example. And lastly, you can go ahead and hire designers for covers. A bad cover equals no sales. So if you can, invest in a professional cover designer, or you can use sites like ideogram.ai. They are perfect for helping you to design the foundational aspects and elements of a book cover. And I can include a tutorial step by step in the next video showing you my process on how I use ideogram for generating book covers for low content, medium content, and high content books. So don't make the mistake of publishing a book with a low quality cover. 80% of readers, they are basically judge a book by its cover. Step 4 is to publish and optimize your book. Amazon KDP's upload process is simple, it's easy. All you need to do is create a KDP account, enter the book title, subtitle, and description, because remember, SEO matters, and upload your book's formatted PDF, set your pricing and royalty options, and also please don't forget about SEO optimization, because this is the secret to getting free sales, faster free sales. You need to use high traffic keywords in your book's title and subtitle. You need to add A+ content, which is Amazon's new feature for more engagement. You need to also write a really good book description. So in the previous video, we really dived in on how to create a SEO optimized book description that focuses on outcome rather than content. If you would like to watch that full video, it will be linked in the description box below, and you really need to optimize Amazon's search algorithm. So step 5 is marketing and selling your books. And the best ways you can go ahead and sell more books in 2025 is through these ways that I'm going to tell you right now, starting with Amazon ads. You need to run targeted campaigns for as little as $5 a day. It will bring results, but you really need to learn the right strategy. You can also use TikTok and Instagram Reels, because viral videos equals massive sales. You can use YouTube videos, like create short explainer videos about your book or about your niche, and then you gather the views and redirect them to your author page. You can also use email marketing, which is basically going ahead and building an email list to promote future books, but that also takes time as well. And you can do book bundles, which is grouping related books together for higher sales. Now, books that rank in the top 100 can generate anywhere between $5,000 to $10,000 a month. If you don't market your book, it will never rank. So bear that in mind. Now, as a recap before we end today's video, you know how to properly research, create, publish, and sell your books on Amazon KDP using this video and the details here. Rewatch it again if you haven't been able to understand specific concepts, and there will also be a summary in the description below this video. You have zero excuses not to start. Amazon KDP is one of the easiest online businesses to launch. People are just like you that are making thousands of passive income. So don't wait, because the best time to start KDP was yesterday, and the second best time is now. Subscribe and comment below if you found this helpful. Your future in self-publishing starts today. Let's make 2025 your year of personal financial freedom. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.